Hi, my name is Laia Perez Rios. Welcome to this beginner's mindfulness meditation. Today we will be practicing a simple meditation to help you cultivate a sense of presence and calm. Please find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Once you're ready, let's begin. Start by sitting in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or on a cushion on the ground with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight but not rigid, and rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or keep a soft gaze on a spot in front of you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. And 1 more time. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now let your breathing return into its natural rhythm. Simply observe your breath as it flows in and out. Notice the sensation of the earth entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then flowing out again. There's no need to change your breath. Just observe it as it is. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations you might feel. Perhaps you feel the weight of your body against the chair or cushion. Or maybe you feel a sense of warmth, of coolness. Don't try to change anything. Just observe these sensations without judgment. You might notice thoughts popping up in your mind. This is completely normal. When a thought rises, simply acknowledge it and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Imagine your thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. You can notice them without getting caught up in them. You might also notice different emotions arising. Whether they're positive, negative, or neutral, allow yourself to feel them without trying to push them away or hold on to them. Just observe and let them be. Now, let's expand our awareness to the sounds around us. Without straining to hear, simply notice the sounds that are present. They could be the sound of the wind, birds, or distant traffic. Allow these sounds to come and go without attaching any meaning to them. Gradually bring your focus back to your breath. Notice how it feels to breathe in and out. Take a moment to appreciate this simple act of breathing and the sense of calm it can bring. In a moment, we will be ending this meditation. Start by bringing some gently moves to your fingers and toes, slowly waking up your body. When you're ready, open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this mindfulness meditation. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of calm and clarity. I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste.